Hey everyone, it's Mr. Haas here, and today I want to show you how to submit a discussion. So hopefully you have seen the video on how to submit an assignment, and it's very similar to that. A discussion is actually an assignment sometimes, it's just a little bit different. So I want to just walk you through that in case you had any questions. So again, we're on my homepage. You're going to scroll down. Always make sure you go to the unit of study we are doing. All the links will go off of that. And we can scroll down, and again, it'll fall under an assignment. There's no button that says submit discussions, except sometimes an assignment is a discussion and sometimes it's just a straight up assignment. So go ahead and click that picture. It'll bring you there. And in this case, we see that it says classification of organisms. And we know it's a discussion because over here it's got two little speech bubbles. And if you hover your pointer over, it'll say discussion topic as opposed to just one little sheet of paper. That'll be when it's an assignment. So we just click on it just like anything else. And you will see that here, just like the last one, it is got the assignment and the questions. Now it does look a little different because there is no little box that says submit assignment. So what you are going to do is you're going to reply. Now, the way this works is you can only see what in this case, you can see what other students have written. And that's what's cool about it, is it's almost like texting where you get to go back and forth and you can put your own answers, and then you can, respond to what other people said. If you think they're a little wrong, you can nicely say that, hey, I'm not sure if you're correct on this. I thought it was this. And then they can go back and forth. And you can tell them what a great answer that was, and you were really impressed and you didn't think of it that way, or something like that. But you cannot see other students' work until you make your post first. That's how I have it set up. So you'd hit the reply button first. Okay. And it looks just like the text entry would in an assignment. So for this one, I don't want you doing any video. I'd like you to just type in your answer. So you would sit here and type, I think that, and then make sure you answer the questions. You can always scroll back up and see them on the top right here. You type all that in, and then you would go down here where it says post reply. So the wording's a little different, but it's the same idea. So click post reply, and then it'll put your post. Now mine's titled test student, but yours will say your name. And then if anybody else has submitted the assignment, then you will be able to reply to them. So then you can kind of see it. Let's say there were 5 names here. You could read what each person said, and then you would click the reply button under each one of theirs or whomever you would like to reply to. So if you want to reply to me, you click on it, it'll show what they wrote, and then you'll respond, that is a great answer. I didn't know that. And then you would again hit post reply. So, and then it'll start showing, and this is how it'll show up, and you'll start to see other people's here. So you can reply to what people have replied to, and you can reply to test students. This is a grade and assignment. So the important thing to remember is you have to make sure that you are only talking about the school stuff that we're going over. It's not where you're going to post, hey, how are you? Or I hope you had a great day. That's not what this is for. This is for submitting your work and your ideas about the question that was posed. Okay, and again, these will be on Fridays. So sometimes you'll have assignments on Fridays, and sometimes you'll have these discussions as assignments. And then when you're all said and done, you go ahead and click home and get back to where you need to go, and you can start all over, or do your research or do whatever it is that you need to finish up. All right, I hope that helped, and I will talk to you later.